Hey, Wonder Coders, want to see your HTML changes live without refreshing? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Live Server in Visual Studio Code in just a few minutes. Let's go. First, open Visual Studio Code. Now, go to the Extensions Marketplace. You can do this by clicking on this icon or pressing Ctrl-Shift-X, or Command-Shift-X on Mac. Now, type Live Server in the search bar and click Install on the one by Ritwik Day. In my case I installed already. Next, open your project or create an index.html file. To start Live Server, click on the Go Live icon on the bottom right corner. Or right-click anywhere in the editor and select Open with Live Server. Boom. Your project is now live. Any changes you make will automatically refresh. No more manual reloading. You can dock project and Live browser side by side to live coding. If I comment out this piece of code, the play button disappear. And that's it. You've got Live Server up and running. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to Mr. Wonder How, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. See you in the next one.